Meaning of imputation.
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 Imputation. Imputation refers to the process of estimating missing data in a dataset. It is commonly used in statistical analysis, where incomplete data can make it difficult to draw accurate conclusions. Imputation can be done using various techniques, such as mean imputation, regression imputation, and multiple imputation. The result of imputation is a completed dataset with estimated values for the missing data points, allowing for more accurate analysis and interpretation of the dataset. However, it is important to note that imputed values may not be entirely accurate and should be interpreted with caution.